Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo in XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find additional settings. Select languages and input, click to manage keyboards and go for the settings from Gboard. After that, tap on the theme and click right here. Right now we are able to take the picture as our keyboard theme, so I will go for this one. Right now we are able to scale picture. I will take this part, click next. Here we can set up the transparency, so I'm going for 68%. Click done, click apply, and as you can see right now our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!